Good morning guys. So in this video I'm going to explain how to use text specific tools in Power BI. So let me just import the Excel file. So for that go to get data. So in the get data we have something called Excel workbook. So click that. So this is my file Power BI. Then click open. So what it will do means so it will ask to transform the data or load the data. First I'm choosing the Excel sheet. So this is our data. So we have two options, load and transform. So the better choice is we have to transform the data because we have to do some cleaning process before the data is actually loaded into the dataset. So for that I'm clicking transform data. So what it will do means it will open the query editor. So to use the text specific tools, so first we have to go to transform tab. So in the transform tab we have many options in the text column like split column, format, extract. So first we will explain how to capitalize a word in column. So this is our Excel email field. We can see that all the letters are in lowercase. So our objective is to capitalize each word in this column. So how we can do that means, so first click that column. So in that format, we can see capitalize each word. And we also have many options like lowercase, uppercase, trim, clean. So our objective in this case is we have to capitalize each word. So click that option. You can see that uh, the the first letter is capitalized. And next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to merge first name with last name. So how we can do that means, so first click the first name column, and after click last name with the help of control button, and after that you can see something called merge columns in the text column tab. So click that. So this is the merge column tab. So in that we want space between these two fields. Some giving space. So our new merge column name is like full name. If you click OK, you can see that it will merge the two columns with a space in between them. So this is how we will do merge columns. Suppose if you want to unmerge this column means what we have to do means, so click that for full name column. So you can see one option called split column. So click that. We want to split based on the delimiter. So in our case the delimiter is space because the the difference is there is some space in between the first name and last name. So with the help of the delimiter we are going to split that. If I click OK, you can see that it will split this merge column into splitted column with the help of the space. And next we have to rename this column. So how we can rename means, just to double click this and we can write first name. If you want to edit this is the last name. Yeah, so this is how we will use to split the column. And next we will discuss about extract. Suppose for example I want to extract this 3 from this high data in a new column. So transform what it will do means it will do the operation on the same field itself. Suppose if you want to do the operation on a different field, then we have to click add column. So in that add column, you can see there is one option called extract. So what we want to extract means I want to extract 3 from this first cell. How we can do that means I have to click text before delimiter. So we can see that 3 is appears before the slash. So what I have to do means I have to write just a slash. So if I click OK, we can see that the the month column has been extracted from this higher date. If you want to rename this, just a double click and type it like month. So this is how we can able to extract one column to a new column. Suppose I want to extract the middle element. In our case, I want to extract the date like 4651828. So how we can extract means same way we have to click that column that you want to extract. So I'm clicking higher date, and in the extract we have something called text between delimiters. So click that. In our case, the start delimiter is slash only and the end delimiter is slash. So what it will do means, so in between this start and end delimiter, it will extract that particular text. So if we click OK, you can see that the middle part has been extracted. So this is nothing but this is a date. And next, if you want to move the columns, so how we can do that means to click any column. So in the transform, we have something called move. I want to move this month field to the beginning. You can see that the month field has been moved to the beginning of the table. And next thing that we are going to discuss is replace. For example, I am going to replace building with buildings. So how we can do that? Just to click that column, and after we can see one option called replace values. So click that option, values to find. So what I'm going to find is building. I'm going to replace with buildings. So what it will do means it will replace building with buildings. You can see that it replaced all the rows on that particular column. So that's all for today. I will see you again in the next lecture.